Okay, everybody. Apparently I screwed up today. So I'm out for a ride and I thought I blew a belt, which isn't too likely on a Yamaha, but you know, I guess it can happen. So I bring it home and pull my clutch cover off, and something I have read about, never seen personally, that I have now, is the nut backed off. So apparently I didn't go tight enough. So when that backed off, stripped a hole in the cam plate. It stripped the fix sheave. All junk. I don't know what kind of damage it did to the belt, because there's not really any visible damage. But there's lots of belt stuck in my secondary now. It's got to be all cleaned out. Need a new nut. Threads are toasting it. And the only saving thing is I'm hoping that we can repair these threads here, and it might save me a few $100. Look, it even ripped the plastic all apart here. Did a lot of damage. It's a costly mistake, and if I can't fix these, it's going to be even more costly. So make sure this is torqued on properly, like 5 or 6 Ugga Chuggas instead of only 2 or 3 with your impact, or get the right tool and do a torque wrench, whatever it is. I think it's 100 pounds, and that's it.